Join Tea Room Secrets group coaching program and learn how to open and run a tea room or a tea time business. The idea of tea room ownership or any form of tea time business appeals to so many, but it can be difficult to know where to start and how to actually start a tea room business and how to open a tea room. And if opening a tea room isn't for you, but you want to know how to host tea parties or how to run a tea party catering company or even sell tea online, then this group coaching program is for you. Tea Room Secrets provides the best-in-class online training and coaching programs to the tea room industry and provides amazing support and fabulous community of like-minded tea time people just like you, and is the backbone to learning about how to create a business from your enjoyment of tea time. Hot topics in these monthly Ask Tina Anything sessions include creating your business plan, hiring your team, providing tea time recipes, how to price your menu for profit, how to charge a fee for your know-how, and how to set up your processes, procedures, and systems, and how to uncover the trade secrets of where to get your tea time products from. Join me as your Tea Room Secrets coach and trainer for this monthly coaching program, and take a look below for the details of how to sign up and of how to get your free gift. And I'll see you really soon.